Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something everyone wants. Glowing and healthy skin. We've all seen a million skincare trends, but what actually works? Sun protection is key. This is the #1 rule of skincare. Don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially after sweating or swimming. Washing your face twice a day removes dirt, oil, and sweat, but be gentle. Harsh scrubbing can irritate your skin. Lifestyle choices matter. Smoking speeds up skin aging, so quitting is a great way to improve your skin health. Eating a healthy diet and managing stress can also benefit your skin. Different skin types have different needs. Once you know if your skin is dry, oily, combination, or sensitive, you can choose products that are formulated to address your specific concerns. If you have any concerns about your skin, such as acne, eczema, or rosacea, see a dermatologist. By following these tips, you can keep your skin healthy and looking its best.